welcome back to my channel, Cynthia Vlog, and welcome back to my kitchen, guys. So today's video, we're gonna cook something yummy, guys, adobong chicken. So I have here, guys, vegetables. I have capsicum red, capsicum green, yellow, and I have also carrots and potato, onions, and of course, guys, hindi mawawala yung chili natin yan. So ito na po yung aking chicken, guys. I already cleaned it and cut it in the medium size. And then I have also here, guys, vinegar, soya sauce, toyo, and I have some sugar, guys. I have to put sugar. And then black pepper, and of course, guys, to get tasty our food, so we have to put nor cubes. So let's start na, guys. Cut po natin yung mga vegetables natin. So ito na po yung aking gulay, guys. Nakat ko na po siya ng small cubes. And then ito na rin po yung onions ko and chili. So I have what's this, guys, garlic paste here. So let's start na, guys. First thing, guys, is kailangan ko pong iprito to, guys. Prito ko po siya ng konti. Ganito po ako mag-adobo, guys. Ayan. Pwede rin po natin ihalo tong potato, guys. Ayan. Igisa lang po natin siya ng konti. Iprito lang po natin ng konti. And then and guys, pwede na po nating hanguin. Ganito po yung way ko ng pagluto ng adobong chicken, guys. Then ipiprito din po natin yung chicken, guys, para maalis yung lansa niya. So ayan. Ow. So ayan, guys, wait lang po natin na maging golden siya, guys, golden brown, saka tayo mag-start maggisa. And guys, tumatalsik yung mantika niya, may pumunta po sa face ko, guys, na mantika. Dahil golden brown na po ang ating chicken, guys, so pwede na po natin siyang hanguin, I mean. Ayan. I need somebody who can love me at my worst. No, I'm not perfect, but I hope you see my worth. Kanta muna tayo, guys, habang nagluluto. So, ito na po ang aking chicken, guys, and ito na rin po ang aking vegetables. So, start na po tayo sa ating paggigisa. Dito rin po natin iluluto ang chicken adobo natin, guys. So, kuha po tayo ng oil from here, guys, kung saan po natin prinito yung chicken. Ayan. Ayan. Una po, igisa natin yung onions. Sinabay na rin po natin yung chili, guys. Ayan, guys. Wait lang po natin mag-brown yung onions natin. And then maglagay po tayo ng garlic paste. Can I call you baby? And you be my friend? And you be my lover up until the very end? I'ma show you love. Oh, don't pretend. So, maglagay na rin po tayo ng garlic paste, guys. Ayan. I can feel those places in your heart no one else can. I need somebody who can love me at my worst. No, I'm not perfect, but I hope you see my worth. Ayan guys, dahil mag-brown-brown na po yung ating garlic and onions guys. So, ilagay na rin po natin yung chicken natin. Ayan, wow. So, ilagay na po natin yung Knorr cubes. And then, black pepper. And guys. And then, vinegar. Ow. At yung soya sauce natin guys. Ayan. Haluin lang po natin. Look at this guys. So, pwede na rin po natin ilagay yung carrots and potato. Ayan. Ayan guys. Wait lang po natin na maluto konti. Mga 15 minutes. And then, pwede na pong kumain. Check po natin guys ang ating adobong chicken. Wow! Wow na wow guys. So, pwede na po natin ilagay yung capsicum. Ayan. And guys, I have 3 kinds of capsicum, 3 kinds color. And guys, takpan muna natin guys hanggang sa maluto yung capsicum natin. Ayan. So, ayan na guys. So, ilagay na po natin yung sugar. Ayan guys. Wow. Wow, sita. So, ito na po ang aking chicken guys. So, mag-shoutout lang po ako guys sa aking mga members. Salamat po sa lahat ng nagpa-members sa akin. Unang-una po si Ann Vance Vlog guys, Rain Adventure, Ruby Bless, Kabsat Money Villar, Dan TV Vlog, Wilson Garden, House Garden, I think so. Yes, Sir Wilson. What else? Sis Cabitas and Dazen, and who else guys? On the Way and Kapsat Lari official guys, Nasantura Vlog guys, and who else? Madam Yong Vlog guys. So, maraming salamat guys sa mga nagpa-member sa akin at si Sir Woody. So, thank you guys sa lahat ng support. So, ito po yung aking luto. Bye-bye guys and God bless us. Let's enjoy the adobo guys. Thank you for watching and God bless. Bye-bye.